Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming carrier support and an active voice plan. Without that, Wi-Fi calling won't register. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and update your Vivo system and carrier settings. Now open Settings, go to SIM and Network or Phone Settings, and look for Wi-Fi calling. Tap to enable it. You may need to accept terms or enter an emergency address. Doing this first avoids dropped registrations and speeds up the rest of the setup. With Wi-Fi calling enabled, you configure how it behaves. If your Vivo has two SIMs, select which SIM will use Wi-Fi calling. Then set call preference to prefer Wi-Fi so the phone uses the network first. This reduces cellular charges and improves indoor coverage. Check advanced options. Make sure VO LTE isn't conflicting and confirm your emergency address for 911 style calls. Once these are set, restart the dialer app to let settings take effect and register with the carrier network. Finish by testing a call to verify the Wi-Fi calling icon appears. Listen for clear audio and check whether the call stays on Wi-Fi. If your phone drops to cellular, inspect Wi-Fi signal strength and router firewall or SIP/ALG settings. Make sure the phone's battery saver is off and background data is allowed. If problems persist, the fastest fix is to toggle airplane mode or reset network settings. Then reconnect and repeat the test to force re-registration with your carrier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.